Southern Gardening is in Long Beach, Mississippi at the home of Ginger and Dave, admiring some beautiful varieties of coneflowers growing in their landscape. Let's take a closer look at some of these plants. Echinacea Adobe Orange from the Sombrero Series is valued for its super bloom power and well-branched, compact habit. It has 2.5 to 3 inch intense orange flowers with a matching orange cone that really makes the color pop. Echinacea Sombrero Yellow Improved is a vibrant perennial boasting a profusion of rich golden yellow flowers adorned with a skirt of wide, overlapping, drooping petals surrounding a copper central cone. Well branched, its numerous flowering stems are sturdy and held upright. This coneflower has a compact habit and provides a vibrant floral display in the landscape from early to late summer. Echinacea PowWow Wild Berry coneflower is a dazzling addition to any landscape, flaunting vivid magenta-pink petals that radiate from a bold orange central cone. Standing at a manageable height of 18 to 24 inches, this robust perennial forms a compact, bushy clump that adds a splash of vibrant color from early summer well into the fall. Its dark green, lance-shaped foliage provides a lush backdrop, making the radiant blooms pop even more. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, coneflowers are a magnet for butterflies and bees, supporting local pollinators and adding dynamic life to the landscape. As you can see, coneflowers can add visual interest and appeal to any landscape. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.